Hello and welcome to a Pacific Heights enormous studio. You walk in and over here to the right is a huge walk-in closet with shelving and lots of drawers. There's a nice little foyer. Here is the main room. There are hardwood floors throughout. Closet space. This is a large Murphy bed. There's a nicely renovated bathroom with glass tile. And here is a large eat-in kitchen. You have a beautiful stainless refrigerator, gas range, and laundry. Plenty of room for a table. If you're interested in this unit, please go to rentalsinsf.com. Thanks for looking.